Hello, you guys. Today I will be doing the first of 5 pours based on the survey choices that you guys submitted when I asked what should be my next pour. The first one will be the rings of color. Let's get started. I have no idea when the camera went off, you guys. I apologize. Such beautiful colors. I just love these colors. It's a beautiful combination together. Look at that. Looks like a hole, doesn't it? Like a sinkhole that opened up. Those colors are nice. Unfortunately, one of the paints that I used was a satin enamel, and it was clumpy, so I have little spots. You can see those little, you can see them. They almost look like bubbles, but they're not bubbles. It's clumps of paint. See there? And I tried to get some out, and it was starting to mess up the design. So I said I'll just leave it, and I'll just have to do me another pour with these colors because I didn't want to actually mess it up. I'll just keep it and admire it. But I think it's gorgeous. Tell me what you think, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please take this time to do so. Remember to click on the bell so that you receive a notification once a new video is posted. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next time.